the white, pure white number 25, Bordeaux number 16. And then the number 17 is bubblegum. I'm going to add just a little bit of the illuminating gels. And also, this is the red color, so I'm going to add the illuminating like pink. I love this one so much, which is, so you see that I have it on my thumb for the ombres. This is a first look right here. Looks super cute with the matte finish. Okay. And then we're going to move on the next one. And first thing first, before we start, I'm going to just make a little quick swirl right here. Okay. And you can do however you would like. It doesn't have to swirl it that way. And then we'll go ahead and using a blossom gel.
You ask you to do our gel color, the base and top coat?
Yes. So I did the gel hold on.
So you did base, then gel color,
yes,
then matte top coat.
And matte top coat. So I did gel polish first, base gel first, and cure for 10 seconds. And I do 2 coats of the beige first, and each layer cure for 60 seconds. And then I did the matte top coat on because I don't want all the furs to sticking it when I getting ready for the nails.
And Pamela on YouTube, you can get all our products at glitzaccessories.com. Link in the description.
Thank you so much, Pamela. Alright, so I am go ahead and apply the blossom gel. Sure you don't apply it too thick, because if you do too thick, then the flowers or the designs will spread really fast for you. So go ahead and apply it first. I need you to hold this for a second. I'm not using the twin tip brush. And we are going, you just touch it. You just touch it. Huh? Yeah, you pop touch. Within, so I am go ahead and do not cure the blossom gel, okay? So you are going to pick up some part of your gel polish you already like mixed some earlier, and then you can pick any of the part of it, okay? You can, if you want more red, you add more red. So now I'm gonna using the little brush, number 4 or 3 if you have number 4, number 3, and you can add just a little bit more of the red on. Okay.
It's almost like you're drawing a flamingo.
You think so? But it looks easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I mean, it not looks easy. It's easy. I have to say it that way. It's great to create. Is really a perfect background for the design, and then the blossom gel will do all the work for you. And add a little bit more, however you would like, with your red more or more pink. Okay, you happy with this? We're going to cure this for 60 seconds.